Okay, so one of the things that I want to show you is where this formula comes from that we're going to be using for the area of a trapezoid. So you'll see this in the Nearpod, but the trapezoid has two parallel lines. The other two lines of the trapezoid are not parallel, so they either will go off into the distance into infinity and never meet, or they will come together and eventually intersect. These guys will come together and intersect down here, but if I extended them going upwards, they would never meet each other, okay? Parallel lines will never meet no matter what. I can extend this line and this line forever and ever and ever, and they'll never meet each other. So my formula for a trapezoid is area equals base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. Crazy formula there. So here's how it works. I've got two trapezoids here. And if you look, these two trapezoids, if I put them together, will make a parallelogram, okay? So the area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. Okay, so if I wanted to find the area of this whole entire parallelogram, I would just find the base, find the height, and calculate the area. So why is this formula so much more complicated? Well, think about it. If I take this trapezoid and I flip it, and I put these two together, I'm going to make a parallelogram. So two trapezoids together, flipped, make a parallelogram. So when it says base 1 plus base 2, it's basically one part of one trapezoid plus one part of another trapezoid, which would make this entire base. So that's base 1 plus base 2 would give me the entire base, times the height. There's only one height no matter what. So that's going to be multiplied by the height, and then divided by 2, because I'm not trying to find this entire length. I'm only trying to find a piece of it, which is for my trapezoid. So base 1 plus base 2 times my height divided by 2. So it's just like when we do a triangle. If I had a rectangle, I would do base times height. If I wanted to find the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. So I'm only finding half of the triangle. I'm doing the same thing here. I'm only finding half of the parallelogram. So that's why I divide by 2. We're going to do some examples together on this. I'm going to go through the formula with you. I want you to try these on your own and then play my video with the formula and the solution to make sure that you have it right.